Eating raw cookie dough is bad. Wing.
Raw cookie dough could give you salmonella.
No, I
Do not
didn't.
eat raw cookie dough.
Wing.
Did you just say wink?
You should never get raw cookie dough, but if you're gonna, this is the recipe you want to use. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough recipe, and it's great cookies. But first you add a cup of butter, 2 sticks, then 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 cup sugar. Cream the butter sugar, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, blend it. Then 2 1/4 cup flour with a heaping teaspoon of baking soda. Mix that up really good. Then fold in at least 12 ounces of chocolate chips. Once done, cook for 375 degrees, 10 minutes. Enjoy.
Wing.
Never eat raw cookie dough. You did it
No,
again.
I would never
Dude,
eat
stop.
cookie dough.
That's not cool.
Wing.